Media, and today I'm gonna do unboxing of the iPhone 6s 64GB, and this is the silver version. So let's get right into it. It's sticked very tightly. Okay guys, I'm just gonna get this plastic off and I'll get back to you right away. Okay, I cut open the plastic. Let's just take it off. Okay guys, let's just see what's here on the back. It includes the iPhone 6s, earpods with the remote and mic, lightning to USB cable and USB power adapter. Okay, let's open the box. There you have it guys. Let's just pop it out. Wow guys, it's just beautiful. So thin. This has to be one of the thinnest phones on the market now. Let's just put this aside. Let's just see what's in the rest of the box. Let's just put this away. If you pick this up, you get, it's just a tray that the phone sat in. Here's a little booklet full of instruction manuals and stuff like that. See, here you get your SIM ejection tool. Just gonna leave it in right there, and just gonna put this aside. You get an iPhone 6s. It just shows you where everything is. Just put that aside. Here's just the other language, another language, and then you get 3 languages of the iPhone info, and you get 2 Apple stickers. Just put all of these booklets aside. Okay guys, as you can see you get the power adapter. Let's just unwrap it. Wow guys, it looks like all the previous power adapters. I don't see any change really. You get your lightning to USB cable. Okay guys, pretty standard, just standard lightning cable. Okay, we're just going to put this aside, and you get earpods with a carrying case. Let's just remove the plastic. They wrap everything in this box now. Most of the phones these days, they only wrap the phone actually. The rest of the stuff is loose in the box. Wow guys. See, it's wrapped around here. As you can see, here's the earphones and the volume buttons and the mic. I'm not going to take it out now. I want to leave it here in the case, but it's nice guys. Okay, there's nothing else in the box, so let's just put the box aside. Okay guys, let's just put everything aside and let's get to the phone itself. Wow guys, Apple just keeps on impressing guys, huh? Okay, let me just give you a physical look. You have the 3D touch retina display, you have the touch ID sensor here, the 2nd generation. You have your 3.5mm headphone jack, your lightning connector, you get a speaker here. As you can see, here's where you put the SIM card. You have your power button. You have your 12 megapixel eyesight camera. You have your flash, True Tone flash. As you can see, you just have the branding iPhone S and the Apple logo here. And as you can see on this side, you have your volume buttons, and you got your mute button to mute your phone. So let's just quickly start it up. Wow, guys. Okay, let's just wait for it. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for this to start up, and I'll get back to you right away. Okay guys, it started up. As you can see, it just tells you to set up. Then here you can choose your language and everything. Okay guys, I'm not going to set this up right now. So thanks guys for watching, and I will see you at my next video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.